Namaskar everyone. Now today we'll discuss the case number 3rd of calculating new ratio and sacrifice ratio. Now this is case number 3rd. A and B are partner in the profit sharing ratio of 7:3. C is admitted with 3/7 share in profit which he took 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. Calculate new ratio. Now listen carefully. Here A is giving 2/7 and B is giving 1/7. So how you identify? You have to add the share given by A and B, that is 2/7 plus 1/7. If it is comes to C share, that is 3/7. So in this case it is clearly given that if you add up 2/7 and 1/7, then it comes to 3/7. So there is no need to calculate sacrifice ratio, because if the share given by A and by B is equal to the C share of profit, then this will be the sacrificing ratio. So directly sacrificing is given in the case A sacrificing is 2/7 and B sacrificing is 1/7. Now you have to calculate the new ratio. As I already told you that the new ratio formula is old minus sacrifice. So here is A share, B share and C share. A old share is 7/10 and A sacrificing is minus 2/7. B share is 3/10 and B sacrificing is 1/7. And this formula is not applicable in case of C because C is the new partner. So you have to directly mention the share of C, that is 3/7. So if you put the formula old minus sacrifice for A and B, then the final new ratio of A and B is 29/70 and 11/70. And for C it is 3/7. Now previously I told you that the denomination of all the partners ratio will be the same. A and B denomination is 70/70 and C is 7. So you have to make the denomination of C is, instead of 7 it would be 70. So you have to multiply 7 by 10. Then if you multiply the denominator part with 10, then you have to multiply the upper part also by 10. So 7 into 10 and 3 into 10. So final ratio will be 29/70, 11/70 and 30/70. And if you remove 70, then ratio will be 29:11:30. So this is the case in which sacrificing is directly given and you have to put the formula of new ratio, that is old minus sacrifice. And it is applicable only in case of old partner. This formula is applicable only for old partners because C is the new partner. Now case number 4th. Now in case number 4th, again two partners are there with the 7:3 share. C is admitted as a new partner. A sacrificed 2/7 of his share in profit of C and B sacrificed 1/7 of his share in favor of C. Calculate the new ratio of A, B and C. Now listen carefully. In this case, the share of new partner is not given. So how you will calculate the sacrifice of A and B and the new ratio of A and B and C? So first see carefully that A sacrificed 2/7 and of his share. So you have to multiply A share by 2/7 because A is giving 2/7 and of whom share? His share. So A share is 7/10 and you have to multiply 7/10 by 2/7. So if you cut the upper and the denominating part, then it final comes to, that is 2/10. So here it is given, that is 2/7 into 7/10. 7/10 is A share and 2/7 is that A is giving 2/7 of his share. So if you cut the upper and denomination part, then it final comes to 2/10. So this is the sacrificing of A share. Now B. B is giving 1/7 of his share. His share is 3/10. So you have to multiply 3/10 by 1/7. So it comes to, that is 3/70. Now this is the sacrificing of A, that is 2/10 and B is 3/70. Now when you add the share of these two, that is sacrificing of A and B, then the ratio of C will come here in this ratio. So here you will see at the last that 2/10 is A sacrifice and 3 by 70 is B sacrifice. When you add these two, then you will get the C share, that is 17 by 70. So C share is coming by the sacrifice of A and B. Now you have to calculate the new ratio of all the three partners. Now you have to put the formula old minus sacrifice. Now come to the A part. A old is 7 by 10 and A sacrifice is 2 by 10. So that is old minus sacrifice. This is your new ratio. Then B old ratio is 3 by 10 and B sacrifice is 3 by 70. So old minus sacrifice, and C share is directly 17 by 70. Now when you calculate new ratio, so final answer will be 5 by 10, 18 by 70 and 17 by 70. So highest denomination is 70. So you have to multiply 8 denomination part by 7, that is 10 multiplied by 7. Then upper part 5 is also multiplied by 7. So final ratio will be 35, 18 and 17. So this is the new ratio. So it is clearly visible in this case that new partner share is not given. So first you will calculate the sacrifice of A and B, and by adding the sacrifice of A and B, you will get the share of C, and after that you will calculate the new ratio of all the three partners. C will be shown directly, and for A and B you have to put the formula old minus sacrifice ratio. So this is case number third and fourth. And what is the difference between third and fourth case? In third case, sacrifice is directly given, and in fourth case, sacrifice is not given, and as well as the ratio of new partner is also not given. Thank you so much.